Some stings hurt, but others cause pain you'll never forget. Let's count down the top 5 most painful animal stings in the world.
Number 5. Small but painful. The honeybee. A single sting causes a sharp burning sensation. It's not the worst, but it's enough to make anyone jump. And here's the catch. The bee loses its stinger and dies after attacking.
4. The fire ant.
At number 4, tiny but aggressive, the fire ant.
Its sting feels like actual fire on your skin. It injects venom that causes burning pain and itchy blisters. And they don't sting just once. They attack in groups.
Number 3, one of the most feared insects, the tarantula hawk wasp. Its sting is described as blinding and electric. The pain is so intense, people say the only thing you can do is scream. Luckily, it doesn't attack unless provoked.
Number 2. Pain at another level. The bullet ant. Its sting is said to feel like being shot by a bullet. The pain can last for up to 24 hours. It's considered one of the most painful insect stings on Earth. And at number 1, the ultimate nightmare, the box jellyfish. Its tentacles deliver venom that causes extreme pain, paralysis, and even heart failure. Some victims describe the pain as unbearable, invisible in water, and incredibly dangerous.